I'm very excited. Just now, I got a text message that my merch have arrived. What's up, folk? It's Maxi the biker. I hope you have had a wonderful day. I'm very excited. Just now, I got a text message that my merch have arrived from no other than Maxi and Brothers web shop. So I'm gonna, after my work, go pick it up. And then I'm gonna show you a few photos, so make sure that you stay on and see how they look like. So the design that I have ordered is obviously this one here. And of course, it is this one because it's Maxi the Biker limited edition orange. So make sure that you rather choose one of our limited edition t-shirts and order them, because each of the designs, each month, we are only going to produce 1,000 of them. So 3,000 per collection. And if you're interested to know or could maybe guess what the next edition will be, comment below and let's see what you want to hear or see from us. So let's look how the merch turned out. Alrighty, folk, the lovely biker community, thanks for watching this video as well. I hope you have enjoyed the design, and please go ahead and give a feedback. Our brand Maxi and Brothers, it's a new brand, so all the feedback that we could receive from you would be highly appreciated. And you know what? Don't forget, if you don't find anything that you like during the current or next or the after one collection, you should know that we customize the t-shirt, hoodies, beanies, vest, leg bags, and gloves just in your liking. So we have a formula, it's called 101 edition on the website. So once you go there, you can exactly tell us what you need, in which color or leather, whatever. Reach out to us and we'll make your 101 edition just for you. Maxi and Brothers. Enjoy your day. God bless you all.